My name is Patiya. I am a recreation service manager with the City of Plantation, and today we have an arts and craft project for you to do at home. What you will need is the cap off of a dish detergent, CDs, tape, scissors, and balloons. Let's begin. You will need to rip off some tape, enough to rip into 2 pieces. Once you rip them, combine them, and what you're going to do is cut a hole in them. I've already done it, so it'll be as such, okay? You will also need 4 strips of tape. I've already pre-cut. And you're going to take your balloon, and you want to stretch the balloon before you start doing anything. Give it a little stretch. And we're going to place the cap inside of the balloon, but not all the way, just enough to cover. So you're going to roll it down because it's going to get stuck. Try your best not to rip the balloon. That's what I just did. Let's try it again. Try your best not to do what I just did. Rip the balloon. Cover the cap. Let it go and roll it down just a little. There you go, just like that. Okay? I find it much easier to do it this way because it allows for a good seal once we put it on the CD, because that's what we're going to do. So you're going to take your CD and you want to line up the holes. Okay? You want to line them up because you need to blow inside to get the balloon up. Once you do that, this is where your pre-cut comes in, okay? So try your best to make sure, probably wind up the balloon or what works. You want to make sure you put the balloon through the hole. Try not to get it stuck at best if you can. It helps if you have a partner maybe or someone to help you. Okay? So, once you get it through the pre-cut hole, again, line up the holes, okay? Line them up. Press firmly to secure the tape to make sure you do not have any pockets that will cause air to come out. So, okay? At this point, your cap can be closed to give you some stability. Make sure you rub it all in, okay? This is where the 4 tapes come in, just to make sure you have a good seal, okay? Again, you take them and place them around the areas where you see the tape appears to look as if it's lifting, okay? As such. And again, now if you need more tape, you can, but keep in mind you want to watch the balance, the weight of the objects. Now, I like to take a cloth or something to pre-wipe. If your surface is clean, you still want to clean it of any germs or bacteria. You could take alcohol and a napkin. So you want to pre-clean it of any germs or anything that may be on the table, even if you already pre-cleaned your table, because you have to place your mouth on here. Get ready to blow up the balloon. Make sure your cap is open, because if not, you will lose breath trying to blow air into the balloon. So make sure the cap is open. Once the balloon is blown up, you can place your hand over the hole of the cap to hold the air in so that you can let it slide across the table or the surface. Okay, you place it down. If you're good, you can close the cap, or you can place your finger over it. I happen to gotten lucky. And you want to remove everything that's in your way. Open up your balloon